One of the most amazing locations in the Caribbean is the Booby Pond Nature Reserve on the island of Little Cayman in the Cayman Islands. You're looking at breeding colonies of magnificent frigate birds and red-footed boobies. Here in the rich mangrove forests of the reserve, both species mate, nest, and rear their young.
Oh, look at that.
Frigate birds are known as pirates of the sea. They conserve energy by stealing food from the red-footed boobies. It's called a kleptoparasitic relationship. The frigate birds largely depend on the boobies to eat, but scientists can't find anything the boobies get in return. Regardless of this apparently negative relationship, the species nest side by side, with an occupant in every valuable spot. The Booby Pond is off limits to the public to help protect the birds. But there is an observational platform for everyone to enjoy. The Booby Pond is considered a wetland of international significance. It is protected under the National Conservation Law and managed by the Cayman Islands National Trust. If you're ever in Little Cayman, make sure you stop by and see this wonder of nature. I'm Jessica Harvey for the Guy Harvey Ocean Foundation.